If you've ever been on a backpacking trip where you're tired, hungry, and just trying to get a hot meal or coffee in your system, you know how frustrating it is when your stove takes forever to boil water or burns through fuel faster than expected. At that point, cooking stops being enjoyable and just becomes another chore you want over with as quickly as possible. That's exactly the problem the Jetboil MiniMo is designed to solve. It's a compact backpacking cooking system built for hikers, campers, and outdoor travelers who want fast boiling times, better fuel efficiency, and more control over cooking than a typical ultralight stove. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the MiniMo feels like a well-thought-out piece of gear. The cooking cup is sturdy, insulated, and designed in a way that feels more like a personal food container than a traditional pot. It's compact, clean in design, and everything packs together neatly, so it doesn't waste space in your backpack. The metal handles feel solid, and the overall build gives you confidence that it's made for repeated outdoor use rather than occasional trips. One of the standout design choices is the cooking cup shape and spoon angle. It sounds small, but when you're actually eating out of it on a windy mountainside or early morning campsite, it makes a noticeable difference. You're not awkwardly chasing food around the edges of a deep pot. Instead, it feels natural and easy, like it was designed by people who actually eat out of their gear. In terms of performance, the Jetboil MiniMo really shines in efficiency. Thanks to flux ring technology, it concentrates heat in a way that allows water to reach a boil in just over 2 minutes under good conditions. In real-world use, that means less waiting around and more time actually eating, resting, or continuing your hike. It also uses noticeably less fuel compared to traditional backpacking stove setups, which becomes important on longer trips where every canister matters. What makes the MiniMo different from many ultralight stoves is the adjustable heat control. Most compact systems are basically on or off, but here you actually get a usable simmer range. That means you can do more than just boil water. You can cook simple meals, heat sauces, or even simmer food without burning it immediately. For hikers who want a bit more flexibility in their trail meals, that's a big upgrade. The push-button ignition is another convenience feature that stands out. When it works, it saves you from fumbling with lighters or matches in windy conditions. Combined with the stable base and fuel canister support, the whole system feels more secure and user-friendly than many bare-bones backpacking stoves. Of course, there are some trade-offs. While the MiniMo is extremely efficient, it is still more specialized than ultralight titanium stoves. It's slightly heavier and bulkier, so if your main goal is minimizing pack weight above all else, there are lighter options available. It also performs best with Jetboil's ecosystem approach, which means fuel compatibility and setup matter more than with a simple screw-on burner. Compared to other systems in the same price range, like MSR pocket rocket setups or generic ultralight stove and pot combinations, the MiniMo stands out for speed, fuel efficiency, and ease of use. Those other setups may be lighter or cheaper, but they often require more attention, more setup time, and don't offer the same controlled cooking experience. The MiniMo is clearly designed for convenience and consistency rather than minimalism alone. This stove is ideal for backpackers, through hikers, solo campers, and anyone who values fast cooking and predictable performance on the trail. It's especially good if you're tired after long hikes and just want something that works quickly without frustration. However, if you are a hardcore ultralight purist counting every gram, you might lean towards simpler stove systems. Overall, the Jetboil MiniMo delivers exactly what it promises: fast boiling, efficient fuel usage, and a more comfortable cooking experience in the outdoors. It doesn't try to be the lightest option on the market. Instead, it focuses on making trail cooking easier and more reliable, and for many people, that's worth the trade. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns, and check the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or grab one for your next adventure.